Hey guys, welcome back to my vegan kitchen. Have you ever felt like you were missing something? I do. Croutons! A lot of the croutons that you buy are not vegan. Once you go vegan, it's like, oh, I just wanted to zhuzh up my salad and now there's no crunchiness except for the lettuce. I know they're not healthy, but do we always do things that are like amazing? Well, these aren't that bad. Come on. So here we have some pita that were left over from the falafel the other day. We're just going to chop these up into whatever size you want, actually. You can do like wedges like this. Make it so fancy. Or you could do strips, like tortilla strips. But they're not tortillas. Actually, you know, you could do this with any kind of bread you want. You could do this with sliced bread, like bakery bread that you don't want to use anymore for whatever reason, except for mold. Then you should throw it out. Shouldn't eat moldy bread. So I'm just going to chop these up. Alright, so here's all of the bread chopped up. You can make it really small if you want, but this is what I'm going with today. Alright, so we got a bowl. We're going to put all of our bread shrapnel in there. Beautiful. You still got some life left in you. We're going to take some olive oil and we're going to drizzle. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. If you're not like on the olive oil train, whoops, that was a lot. You know, you could probably put a little lime juice if you're not into oil, something like that. Some people use like pickle juice. We're gonna season ours with some Za'atar seasoning. I got oil on my hands. Ew.
Ew.
Probably gonna put in like, let's measure it officially in our hands. What's that? 2 tablespoons. If you don't like Za'atar, or if you don't have Za'atar, you can use taco seasoning. You can use salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, onion salt, garlic salt. Just flavor it with something that you like the taste of. And then walk through your kitchen and sing.
Hey, Sean.
It works. So then I've got my cookie sheet here. It's actually a pizza pan. I'm just gonna dump it. Even though my mom always said, no dumpies, Jen. Okay. Get these in a thin layer. It's French fry rules. Don't pile them up because they're not going to get very crisp if they're buried under other ones. So we want single file. We're going to toast these in our toaster oven at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. And you're going to have the most delectable, fancy croutons on the block. Be delicious. Alright, here we go. They called me back because they were delicious. Whoa. These are so friggin' tasty.
Ooh, you hear that crunch?
Mm-hmm. You can taste it too. These are perfect for salad, like Lebanese bread salad. Or just movie night. Popcorn alternative. Really good. Even on top of a regular salad, a boring salad won't be boring for long. Guys, I hope you try them. And if you try different seasonings on there as well, let me know what you tried and I'll try it too. So until next time, much love.